So what is vlookup? Vlookup is a function exists of 4 components. You can find the value or price of item or something like that. So here's number 1, the value you want to look up. Number 2, range in which you want to find the value and the return value. The number 3, the number of the column within your defined range that contain the return value. And number 4, 0 or false for exact match with the value you are looking for. Number 1 or true for approximate match. So here the syntax of vlookup, you can see here, we type vlookup value, range, column number, false or true. So now let's go together in Excel. I have Excel here. I have the product, column and price. And here I want to find this product name. I want to find the price of it. You see here the price column, there's a lot of price. It's very difficult to find one by one, so vlookup can help to find the correct price. So now let's go together here. I want to find this, all of this price of product name here. So in order to use the vlookup function, we use equal, and then we type vlookup right here. So I want to find this item, the price of this item. So I click on it and I use control space here. Okay, I use comma, and I want to look up all of the data. So I select it on it and I control space. Okay, so which column that I want to return the value in here? We want to find the price, so column 2 here. So we put column 2 and we put 0, it means false. Okay, we enter. So you see here, meals, its price $3. So you can check by one here, meals. Yes, so I want to find all of these, so I just select on it and double click on here. You see, okay, here is the price coming. So how about if we cannot find the price, for example this product, like for example GG's products. Okay, GG products. Okay, you see here an A, it means that GG product is not in here. You see, we cannot see it here. So we the result, the return value is an A. So I don't want to show like this. I want to show is like the mistake not found like that. So I can use the function like if. I can put the function if na. Okay, if na we return value not found, like that. Okay, so I just double click it again. Okay, you see here GG is not found right here. Okay, thank you for watching.